Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. First off, I am filling in for Tazewell County WX as he's busy right now, and I'm probably going to be filling in for him this afternoon, anyway. We have two slight series today. One slight today covers parts of Montana and far southwestern North Dakota. And the second slate today covers far northeastern New York State, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and west central and northwestern Maine. Cities in today's slates include Burlington, Vermont, Plattsburgh, New York, Colchester, Vermont, South Burlington, Vermont, and Berlin, New Hampshire. And we have two marginals today. One covering parts of Montana, west central and south central North Dakota, and northern South Dakota. And another marginal that's bigger today covers south central Colorado, far southwestern and far southeastern Kansas, northeastern New Mexico, much of the panhandle of Texas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, the northern half of Oklahoma, northern Arkansas, southeastern half of Missouri, southern Illinois, southern Indiana, all of Kentucky, northern Tennessee, southern Ohio, most of West Virginia, most of Virginia, northern North Carolina. I think I mentioned most of Virginia too, and I think I mentioned all of West Virginia. Washington, D.C., all of Maryland, all of Delaware, all of New Jersey, southern and eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, the eastern half of, most of New York State, including New York City and parts of Long Island, most of Connecticut, most of Massachusetts, most of Vermont, most of New Hampshire, and central Maine. The marginals today include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses far northeastern New York State, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and west central and northwestern Maine. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Burlington, Vermont, Plattsburgh, New York, Colchester, Vermont, South Burlington, Vermont, and Berlin, New Hampshire. Going to today's wind threat, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses far northeastern New York, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and west central and northwestern Maine. The 15% wind risk area today includes Burlington, Vermont, Plattsburgh, New York, Colchester, Vermont, South Burlington, Vermont, and Berlin, New Hampshire. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering parts of Montana, south central and southwestern South Dakota, southwestern and south central North Dakota, This 5% encompasses parts of Montana, southwestern and south central North Dakota, and northwestern and north central South Dakota. And a longer 5% wind risk today covers south central Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, most of the panhandle of Texas, the northern half of Oklahoma, the southeastern half of Missouri, northern Arkansas, southern Illinois, southern Indiana, all of Kentucky, northern Tennessee, northern North Carolina, southern Ohio, most of West Virginia, most of Virginia, Washington, D.C., all of Maryland, all of Delaware, all of New Jersey, southern and eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, much of New York State, including New York City and parts of Long Island, most of Connecticut, most of Massachusetts, most of Vermont, most of New Hampshire, and central Maine. The 5% wind risk areas today include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Now the hail threat. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing parts of Montana and far southwestern North Dakota. The 15%... Really? Come on. The 15% hail risk area today includes Glendive, Montana. And there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing parts of Montana, south central and west central North Dakota, and north central South Dakota. And another 5% hail risk today covers south central Colorado, western part of the panhandle of Oklahoma, far northwestern Texas, and northeastern New Mexico. The 5% hail risk areas today include Pablo, Colorado, Bismarck, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, Cannon City, Colorado, and Dickinson, North Dakota. Alright, so in summary, scattered damaging winds and a brief tornado are possible across northern New England this afternoon. Isolated and sporadic damaging winds may also occur across a broad swath of the northeast mid-Atlantic to the southern high plains. A confined corridor of large hail and severe gusts appears possible. Sorry, I got a little bit of sickness working on me. A confined corridor of large hail and severe gusts appears possible from north central Montana to southwest North Dakota this evening. So that's the day one outlook. So and again, I am filling in for Tazewell County WX since he is busy, and I'm likely filling in for him for the day 2 outlook this afternoon. So stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginals, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms. And my day 2 outlook will come out this afternoon, where I'll be filling in for both Tazewell County WX and SPC convective outlooks. Take care.